The tank's all fucked up. I like that blue.
Yeah, it's a beautiful blue. I'll show you what the tank looks
What's
like.
up, YouTube? Chilling on a Saturday.
Oh God.
Don't yell at me.
Okay.
It wasn't fucked up.
I got this seat off of Amazon for like, what was it? Like $10.
You should make your own, like the low profile. All right, how do we get this off? All right,
It pulls off pretty easy.
there we go. All right, let's own some shit. Good.
Tens out.
Yeah.
Check my little.
Those ones are spares, aren't they?
Yeah,
I think. Let me see. Spares, yeah.
I got 10 right here. You got needle nose? I'm a bit.
They are a pain in the ass to get up.
Give it to me. Oh, dude, that's a snapped.
She fried.
Oh, this one's good.
YouTube?
Bike Adventures of Part 11 or what?
Yeah, I guess this would be part 11.
Make sure all my shit just right. The moment of truth.
Which one was, I don't even know which one that was. Head, I think? No, it says turn. A turn. And then 15 is your head, so.
No.
Gotta zoom out your face. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Always on.
Yours isn't even on.
My plate light is.
Oh, maybe it is.
Hold on, Bryce, his key won't turn. Fancy meeting y'all here. Back it up. Back it up. Oh, and he kill switched me too, motherfucker.
It might not start again. That's all over my bed. Did you get that on? Did you get that? Yeah.